Welcome. If you want to transfer data from iPhone XS Max to your iPhone 12 mini, at first you have to go for the App Store on both devices and download Send Anywhere application to transfer data. So let's open App Store on both devices. Let's start from iPhone XS Max. Click right here and tap on Send Anywhere. Do the same on iPhone 12 mini. Click right here and now just wait. And as you can see right now, we can open this app on XS Max. So accept everything that pops on our screen. And as you can see, we can send photos, videos, contacts, and also other files. But I'm going to focus only on few things, so I will take this photo, and also this photo. So we selected 3 files, right? It's only example, so it's enough. To send, we have to click right here. Right now we can open this application on iPhone 12 mini, accept the permissions, and click on the receive at the bottom. After that, we have to input this 6-digit key right here. So click and input 7, 8, 4, 0, 5, and 1. Of course, this 6-digit key is going to be different in your case. After that, we have to click receive. Click OK. And as you can see, the transfer is complete. So right now, when we enter for the photos, we can find there that stuff that we sent. As you can see, it's very simple. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!